Welcome to this meditation. Releasing emotional blocks, a waterfall of letting go. So find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your hands rest at your sides or on your lap. Settle your body and mind by taking a few gentle breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to just relax. And soften your gaze, or simply close your eyes. So take a moment to acknowledge why you're here, to release emotional tension or blocks that no longer serve you. You are creating a safe and nurturing space for your body and mind. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air entering and leaving. Feel your body steadily supported by the surface beneath you. If you feel any areas of tightness, send a gentle breath there, letting that spot unwind. Stay present with each inhale, each exhale. Let your mind settle into a calm, collected state. If your thoughts wander, gently guide them back to the rhythm of your breathing. So take a slow, deep breath in, feeling the chest rise, and exhale fully, releasing any tension. So visualize now a clear, soothing light entering with each inhale and any stress leaving as you breathe out. Inhaling calm and exhaling any worry. Notice a gentle wave of relaxation spreading from your lungs to the rest of your body. Your neck loosens, your shoulders drop, your facial muscles soften. Now, imagine that you're walking through a peaceful forest path. Feel the cool air on your skin. Hear the soft rustle of leaves underfoot. And in the distance, you detect the sound of flowing water. With each step, the sound grows even stronger. And ahead of you, a magnificent waterfall appears. Clear water cascades down, reflecting gentle sunlight. You walk even closer, drawn to its serene power. Feel a light mist in the air and smell the freshness all around you. You stand at the base of the waterfall. Notice how it pours gracefully, never ending, pure and bright. So sense the energy of the water, cleansing, renewing, and kind. So prepare to let go of anything that no longer serves you. Now you step into the flow of the waterfall. Feel the water's gentle pressure on your scalp. On your shoulders, and your back. It's neither too cold nor too warm. Just perfect, washing over you with a comforting rhythm. Imagine any heavy emotions, any sadness or worry, being carried off by the water. The flow absorbs all tension, rinsing it down into the river below. So, stay here for a while, allowing the water to do its work. So bring to mind any emotional block or burden that you want to release. Perhaps it's a fear, a resentment, or even a painful memory. So acknowledge it without judgment. Notice how it feels in your body. Now, let the waterfall wash that weight away. See it dissolve like sand under running water. Feel the relief and the lightness that comes from letting go. So take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine these blocks flowing off your body down through the waterfall. Feel a profound sense of freedom as though space is opening in your heart and mind. Now, if any new tension surfaces, offer it to the water. Trust that the waterfall knows just how to cleanse and restore you. Each drop of water is like a gentle hand carrying away all that burdens you. So bask in this sensation of renewal. Notice how your body feels now. Lighter, clearer, and of course more open. So let gratitude fill your heart for this opportunity to release what no longer serves you. The waterfall's energy continues to flow through you, bringing new life and vitality. So inhale deeply and exhale slowly, settling into this fresh sense of being. You now step away from the waterfall, noticing that you remain refreshed and at peace. See yourself walking back along the forest path. Carry the calm, clean feeling with every step. Feel the presence of the natural world around you. Trees, flowers, and gentle breezes. They silently celebrate your newfound freedom. So when you're ready, slowly shift your awareness to the space you're actually in. Begin to tune in to the physical environment around you. Notice any background sounds or sensations. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. And if your eyes are closed, you can begin to open them slowly. Recognize that the relief and clarity you've gained remain with you. You can revisit this waterfall anytime you need to release or refresh. So take a cleansing breath in through the nose and let it go fully. Feel a gentle warmth in your heart as you acknowledge the power of letting go. Thank yourself for taking this time to care for your emotional well-being. So as you move on with your day, know that you're free to flow forward. You've washed away what was weighing you down, creating space for peace and possibility. Good work today, and namaste.